To this video, I will show you how to remove text from video without blur in CapCut. So here's an example in CapCut of a video footage that has a watermark. All you have to do is just take a screenshot of it like this. Okay, now you have a screenshot. Then you have to open Canva. In Canva, just drag and drop this screenshot, okay? You have also apps that can delete watermark, but I'm showing you this because this is one of the easier methods. In Canva, you click on Magic Eraser, and then you just make the brush size higher, like this, and just go over the entire text here. So you see, after it's removed, I just gonna save and download this image and import it into CapCut. So now here's the video and here's the image we have. We're gonna align the image above the footage with the watermark, and after we align that, we just go here to circle and click on the circle one, and then we go all over like this, make the circle smaller and go like this here, and that's basically it. You remove the watermark. Of course, you will see a little bit of color here, but with a little bit of color grading like here, you can make it almost totally invisible, you see? So when we play the clip now, there is no watermark, and this is how you do it to erase the watermark inside CapCut without blurring it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.